I'm going to show you guys how to download OpenRocket on your school computer. So first you're going to want to hit the search button in the bottom left hand corner. When it opens, you're going to want to search app, and this first one that comes up, Microsoft App-V 5.0 Client UI, you're going to want to open it, and you're going to let this open. And then once it's opened, you're going to want to go click on Virtual Apps. And then you're going to want to scroll down until you find the app called PhET Simulations. It's right here. So you're going to want to download this. You can download this, you have to download these apps on school Wi-Fi. And so I've already got it downloaded because I'm recording this at home. But normally there's a button like this one shown right here. And you just want to hit download, and then it'll download. And once it says ready for offline use, you know that it's been downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you're going to want to follow these steps. You're going to have to download this entire folder. It's going to be called OpenRocket. Alright, so I'm going to go here. Okay, so now that you have the folder downloaded, you're going to want to click Show in Folder. Once you've opened it, you're going to want to click here, and then you're going to want to hit this Extract All button right here, and then you're going to say Extract, and let it extract. And once it's been extracted, it'll open up in this thing like right here. You're going to want to move the folder OpenRocket, this one, straight into your downloads. So move it into your downloads, and then once you go here, look for your OpenRocket folder, this one right here. Alright, so once you've got it all downloaded, you're going to want to right click OpenRocket.ps1. You're going to want to hit Run with PowerShell. Once you've hit Run with PowerShell, you're going to want to wait. This execution policy change prompt will show up. What you're going to want to do is type in uppercase Y, and type this uppercase Y. After you type uppercase Y, you just hit enter, and then it'll show up with this bunch of red text. You just ignore the red text, just let it run. It'll start opening OpenRocket. Once you've opened OpenRocket, you can just start making your rocket. You got your nose cone, you got your biotubes, you got your transitions. Larry's got a video out right now showing you how exactly to make your rocket. When you want to go close it, you can't close Windows PowerShell without closing OpenRocket, so you're going to want to make sure to save your rocket build before you close OpenRocket. And so when you close Rocketry, it'll close the Windows PowerShell. If you want to reopen OpenRocket anytime, you just right click, hit Run with PowerShell. You'll probably get prompted with the same execution policy prompt, execution policy change, just like I did here. Just hit Y again, hit enter, it'll open again. And if you don't get prompted that and it just opens, then so be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and go make those rockets, guys.